Hey guys, and welcome to the 24th day of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's dried result. I love it. This one reminds me so much of Notre Dame. Like, it's green, it's gold, it's blue. I love it. All of them have metallics in them, so they're all very shimmery. And today what we are going to do is what I call a flower petal swipe. Now, a couple months ago, I was really inspired by this artist, Sheely Art on Instagram, and I was really trying to figure out how she did or does what she does, because she still keeps it a secret, and good for her for doing that, because it only inspired me to try harder. So with that, I did kind of a flower petal swipe, and so I looked up different flowers, and I really love lilies, so I found the Madonna lily. And I thought that, it's great for like the angles of swiping. So I drew one on, and basically you just layer your paints. And so I got all my paints made with silicone over here, and then I'm going to be using my Mars Black that doesn't have any silicone at all. So basically I'm just going to line them up, swipe, and then I will fill in the background afterwards. So I will do the first one kind of slow for you guys, and then I'll speed through the rest for you. So I'm going to start with my black. And I have different ways of putting it on. I have these little pipettes so that it can be a little more accurate, but I feel like these just go a little too slow. So if you want more accuracy, go with these, but if you're just kind of in a rush trying to get things down, you can also use, I use a chopstick or something like that and just layer that on. Magenta. Phthalo blue. And gold. I definitely shouldn't have brought it out that far. You don't have to go all the way to the end, because you're just going to swipe close to the edge, but not want to go over. You want to stop right where the petal stops. So you just take your palette knife and swipe. And it kind of just does its own thing, which is awesome. Oh, I love that so much. That's getting them out so cool. Okay, well, now I'm going to do the next petals, and I'm going to speed through that for you so you don't have to sit here and watch the whole time. All right, so now that we got that all covered, I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, and here we are for our close-up. These cells are amazing. That's why I love this technique so much. It's kind of like hers, but not quite. Hers is very stretchy and awesome. Mine is too, but I can't really move it around the canvas like she does. So let me know what you guys think, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried result.